All right, it's bright in the early morning. You can see we're heading our way down there. We're gonna fish the river near a dam, and it's gonna be on. A little cloudy today. I think it will clear up a little later. Well, there we go. We got one for the day. Many more to come, right? How many you got over there?
We got like 16.
You? Looks like we're doing pretty well. I mean, he's doing pretty well. How many you caught so far?
About 30.
30? Man, you're gonna catch our limit. Looks like a little baby one here. Yeah, I hate touching fish, so that's why I got my little medical glove on. It's good. Oh yeah, looks like we got another one. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, nice size one. Ah, I love fishing. Nice size sand bass there we got. I don't reel it all the way in. You got room to scoop them up. Good job, Hugh. That's a big one, man. Hold him. No. Hold him by the lip like this. Look, bring him over. By the lip like this. Okay. No. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. There you go. You got it. There you go. Show me that fish. Yeah. That's a nice fish. Hold up. Go ahead. You got it. You got it. Yeah, we got ourselves another one. Let's see here. Yeah, decent sized one. Yeah. What do you think? Decent sized bass here. That's a good size one, Mike. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
No waiters. Get a rig in the water.
Yeah, he did. Having fun, Hugh?
Yeah.
As long as you're catching stuff, right? Uh-oh. This man is having fun. Look what he got here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Hey, that's a good size one, too. This man's catching big fishes, dog. Look at that. Yeah. Bring him in. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. His giant, that's Houston. Let me introduce you to Galveston. Galveston. Oh yeah. Hey look. I think we're okay.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh yeah. He's having fun catching fish. I got him. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. He's got 2 or 3 fish. My grandpa's got a couple fishes. And these boys over here are just tearing up the fish population.
Shout out to Too Cool.
Yeah, I see somebody's found the tree useful. You get more leverage too, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, my grandfather's hitting his game. He's on his game. Oh yeah, people, check that out. Check that out. Okay. I see this man here is invading my territory. Where is he going? Oh, it's a good sized bass. Uh-oh. It's on now. It's on now. Oh yeah. No, you are not going down there. He is not going down there. Oh yeah. Yo. Ah. I love it when the old guys have a good time fishing. Oh, my grandfather's having a good time. Yeah. You're on Fantasy Island, dog.
Got no way to.
Look at these guys here. How you gonna get that thing up? I think that's a good problem to have. Look at those fishes. Well, we're about to call it a day. What we got here, I think I got me about a dozen. Productive day. Didn't get 25 though, but hey, it was fun. Let's see what we look like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I got about 15 to 16. That's good. What do you guys think? Not like the other stack the other guys had the other moment ago, but it was good. And my grandfather caught him some. It was slow to start, but he got himself some. And look at this man over here. Look at that stack. He did pretty well over here too. We're packing it up. We're ready to leave. See you guys next time. Old school. But I did have to give him my rod and reel though, because he had a very heavy rod. And it wasn't for this type of action. Chú coi bao nhiêu chú? Đẩy lên, đẩy lên, đẩy lên. Wow. Cũng được, cũng được, cũng được, cũng được.